Hi, so this is the beginning of Skin Rejuvenation Week or Facial Rejuvenation, whichever you want to call it. And I did say right at the beginning that we would be looking at all the different treatments that we use here in the clinic when we are starting somebody off on that sort of journey of skin rejuvenation, okay? And there's no better place to start than in the epidermis, which is the outer layer of the skin. So the epidermis is the layer that sheds quite frequently, and that slows down as we get older. But what that will do is leave you with a sort of dull, sort of altered texture. So anybody that's been to me for a consultation will know how highly I rate our glycolic peels. This is the glycolic 40%, okay? This is a chemical peel which sounds quite drastic. Glycolic acid is found in fruit, so it's not as drastic as it sounds. It's considered to be a superficial peel. So although you can't buy it over the counter, it's not something you can do for yourself. It's not something you can buy online unless you are a qualified practitioner. It's still regarded as a superficial peel. And the beauty of that is that there's no downtime. You will leave the clinic maybe looking a little bit pink, might be feeling a little bit like you've been sat in the sun, but actually by later on that day, all of that is gone. You can wear makeup the next day. It's better if you give your skin a little bit of a chance to recover and just sort of keep it well moisturized, because it will feel a little bit tight and a little bit dry potentially. But what this will leave you with is a lovely glowing skin, which is really even in texture, and it's perfect for putting makeup on and having a really good base. So later on this week, I'm going to be doing one of these on myself. I've got an event on Saturday. I'm wearing makeup for proper makeup, not just blemish balm. And I want to look my best. I want my skin to be perfect to have that makeup on. So this is a really, really good treatment to have just before an event. The other thing is, when we start you off on a treatment for your skin rejuvenation journey, is we will usually recommend 4 of these 1 week apart. The reason for that is that we have to build up the amount of time that this stays on the skin. We start with a minute on the skin, then a minute and a half in the next treatment, and so on until we get up to sort of 2.5 minutes. Then we neutralize it, remove it, and I will show you that when I do my own treatment later on this week, ready for my event.